Manufacturing in China is already as tough as finishing a puzzle. Yeah, that's right. We're promoting China. I'm not gonna tell poor Jaden here that you're taking manufacturing back to your own country, are you?
Manufacturing sucks in your country.
Cut, Jaden. Come on, bro. We talked about this. You gotta ease them into it.
But it does suck. China is cheaper and better quality.
All right, let's try this. Take it easy. Show them what you made. All right, Jaden, let's tell them about this quality myth.
People think China only make cheap product. Not true. China make best quality product, way better than your
Oh, take it easy. Jeez, Jaden, where do you learn those bad words, bro? All right, look, I'm a big Mandarin-speaking white guy in China running a contract manufacturing company called Morpho MFG. Jaden is one of 40 team members, and he's a little bit sensitive because people sometimes talk badly about China on our videos. Sticks and stones, Jaden. Ignore the keyboard warriors and Twitter fingers. Oh, yes! The truth is, it's not everybody. We get inquiries every single day from people all over the world who are looking to manufacture their product in China. Before I moved here, I thought this is what a factory was. I quickly realized, however, that this is a factory, this is also a factory, and even this is a factory. We often get on the phone with people right after their first manufacturing run flopped before V1 of their product even shipped. They realized it would have been helpful if their trusted manufacturing partner here in China even responded to their emails. That first failed run, though, teaches them a very important lesson. There's not a single factory in the world that can make a multi-component product all by themselves. You need a network of suppliers to piece together all the components of your product to make it perfect. Our new customers will often learn about this when they get on the phone with one of our business development managers and they walk them through the component control method. On this call, they realize that we also have a charismatic Chinese negotiator who visits our network of factories almost every day. His job is to renegotiate better terms for the book of business owners who are using our supply chain network. And when they see that we need somebody on payroll whose full-time job is to negotiate with factory owners on their behalf, they begin to see the manufacturing process for what it really is. A complicated puzzle with many different moving parts. Pretty overwhelming for those who try to deconstruct it on their own. Now, we aren't trying to scare you. We aren't saying it isn't possible to do this on your own. I did, but I'm based full-time in China. I'm fluent in Mandarin. 喂，你好。
你好，是范先生吗？
没错，我是老范。怎么了？
您好，我是养老人寿保险公司的张小梅。
And visited 2 factories almost every single day for 3 years. What we are saying is that there is a faster route. Our methods are complicated, but they can be boiled down into 2 steps. Step 1, deconstruct the puzzle. First, you need to understand how every piece of your product idea fits together. Which factory is going to help you make that double-sided metal zipper with a silicone branded piece for the logo? Who is going to make Apple-esque packaging for you? Who is going to run testing for certificates on your product? Which PCB maker will you rely on through SMT Tech to manufacture your boards? Who is going to move all of your components into a third-party factory ready for assembly? There's a lot of questions to be answered and unpacked there. Step 2, get connected to the right specialist factories. After you have figured out what you need, next you need to know who can get it to you. For many years, we have been building a network of carefully audited factories where we are often already responsible for over 80% of the factory's output capacity through our existing customer base. You might be able to find a factory that can do that for you. You might get lucky, but why take that risk? With our process, it means that we can get faster response times and that our suppliers and network care more when manufacturing our products. It's the secret to our success, and we call it the component control method. I have written an article that teaches you how to use the method when manufacturing your very own products. All right, in the article below, we're going to show you 5 things that are super important to making your product perfect. Number 1, specialized components. If you work with factories that make perfect components, you're going to end up with a perfect product. It's natural, but most people don't think about it and reverse engineer and break it down. We're going to show you why that's important. Number 2, IP protection. We're going to break it down. Your product at the end of the day has a goal right here. You can't let the factories know what that goal is. You have to break it down and work with the specialized factories to ensure that your product is built one step at a time and nobody knows what the end goal is. Number 3, why companies like Apple and all the big tech companies that make hardware in the world use strategies similar to the component control method to ensure that, number 1, their quality is high, but also that their margins are high too. Number 4, why Foxconn, one of the contract manufacturers for Apple, uses similar strategies, why they're so detail oriented, why are they so focused on being perfect throughout the entire process to ensure that that end goal is met. And then number 5, we're going to give you a case study from one of our customers, Cub Coats, who recently had a Series A investment at a very high valuation, and we're going to break down exactly how we use the component control method to make their product perfect. Check out the link below.